Introduction to Surface Mount Technology. Surface Mount Technology, SMT, is a method for constructing electronic circuits in which components are mounted or placed directly onto the surface of printed circuit boards. Components. SMT components are smaller and lighter than their through-hole counterparts. They include resistors, capacitors, diodes, integrated circuits, ICs, and other active and passive components. Advantages. SMT offers several advantages over through-hole technology, including higher component density, reduced PCB size, better electrical performance, and automated assembly capability. Assembly process. The assembly process involves placing components onto the PCB using pick-and-place machines, followed by soldering them using reflow ovens or wave soldering techniques. PCB design. Designing for SMT requires careful consideration of component placement, pad sizes, solder mask, and stencil design. Miniaturization is a key focus in SMT PCB design. Soldering. SMT components are soldered onto the PCB using solder paste, which is applied through a stencil and reflowed to form solder joints between the component leads and PCB pads. Technological advances. Continuous advancements in SMT technology include finer pitch components, 3D packaging, embedded components, and improved soldering techniques for better reliability and performance.